waterfall.
Let's do it. Okay, so today we are headed to Cummins Falls in Tennessee. We have friends with us. We're gonna be hiking to a waterfall, and I don't know how far it is. It's been many years since I've been here, but I'm so excited. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We got our bikes parked here at the front door. Are you guys ready?
We're ready. Let's go see a waterfall.
Let's hike. It's a nice little hike through the woods. Weather's nice. It's not hot. It's kind of perfect. I'm sweating a little bit. I think it's gonna be just hot enough to jump in the water. So, a beautiful day in the woods, hiking to a waterfall. Is that a pit bull? What is that, a pit bull?
No.
He's gorgeous. Yeah, a pit bull? This is where everybody changes shoes right here. You go from hiking shoes to water shoes. Oh, looks like we got another pit bull over here. Yeah? What's his name? Todd? Okay.
Daddy.
Okay.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hey, buddy.
She says I'm not a big fan of the water though.
Oh, yeah.
But we're trying.
Do you swim?
She said she doesn't love it, but she hikes. She's a good hiker.
Gotta switch these shoes
Oh yeah.
and put on some water shoes because we're about to hike this river. I got these things that I feel like these are gonna work probably once. All right, this is us crossing the river, and we're almost across, and we did it. How was it, everyone? How was it?
Very refreshing.
How are you? Make sure it's not slippery. Y'all see any alligators in there? No? I don't think I can make it. I don't think I can make it. Not without injury. I ain't trying to get injured out here today. We found it. We found the waterfall. Is that a pit bull?
No, it's a massive Great Dane.
Ah, okay. How long have we been hiking? An hour?
45 minutes?
45 minutes or an hour?
Yeah. No, over an hour.
Over an hour?
You don't know.
How long you been hiking?
I've been hiking for 29 years. Started at 1.
Tennessee is beautiful. Is that a pit bull?
No. Jackwawa.
Jackawawa? Oh my gosh, I've never heard of such a thing. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's a pit bull.
It's a mutt bull. She's sweet
Oh yeah.
as can be.
What about that one? That's a pit bull?
I think it's a lab, schmab,
Ah,
Heinz 57.
Heinz 57. What you got there, pit bull? I wonder what kind of dog that is.
Is there a person down there? Hey, Ronnie, can you grab his shoe? Dang it. Brock lost both his shoes. Or maybe that's one of them. I think one just went down here. Brock lost both of his shoes. He's helping this guy. They got him to the other side, but he was struggling to swim. So Brock and a couple others helped him get to where he could touch. But he also lost his shoes in the process. I think Henry got one of them.
I don't know if we got any of that on camera, but I swam across here, got on the rock, and as soon as I climbed up, I saw the lifeguard reacting. She's standing next to me right here. She's like a park ranger. And I turned around and I see there's a guy in the middle of the water here, and he was starting to drown. I'll show you. Because I don't know if we got any of it on film, but right about there, the dude was not swimming well and he was starting to give up. So they tried to throw a rope and they couldn't get it there far enough. So I took off swimming as fast as I could to help him. But I was swimming up the current and I lost my shoes along the way. But we got the guy, and he was scared to death. He was an adult, big dude, but he didn't speak English. So we struggled trying to get him to hang on to the rope and relax so we could get him in. But we got him. We got him to the part where he could touch, and then went and got a life jacket and brought it to him and put it on him, and it's all good. But another crazy day at the waterfall. Okay, we found one of my shoes. When I was swimming for the drowning guy, I lost them, but one of them floated to the top. I don't know where the other one is. I've been looking for the other one. I can't find it, so I'm just gonna walk back barefoot because I think it's gonna be annoying to try to do one shoe. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. I'm good. Just having to tiptoe my way through the sharp ones.
Whenever the guy was yelling for help,
yeah,
I thought there was somebody that was under the water next to him. Like I thought somebody was already under. That's
You
why
thought-
I was like.
You thought he was swimming out there and saying there's somebody.
Yeah. And so I was like, we can't even see this person. So I was just freaking out, like the person is under.
Oh yeah, it got crazy real fast. It was chaotic. There were 3 lifeguards screaming, and I don't think anybody knew what to do.
Yeah, and then the guy that actually was drowning didn't speak English, so he wasn't listening. I mean, he didn't know how to.
No, he was freaking out. He didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Once we got him to hold the rope, he wasn't sure if he should keep holding it, and he kept almost like trying to let go of it. I was like, no, 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 hang on, hang on. And then he was kind of fighting it at the same time, but then she just pulled him in.
Yeah. It was crazy. And then I saw you go get a life jacket.
Yeah, she was like, he has to have a life jacket right now. I was like, you stay here, because he's confused. I ran and got the life jacket and swam it back over to him, and then he put it on and was able to live to swim another day. We've had a really good day. We stopped here at the end of the day at this little cafe and ice cream place, and the guy who was in trouble in the water earlier, we bumped into him, and he came over to me and thanked us and said, what did he say, honey?
He said, I'll remember this the rest of my life.
I'll remember this the rest of my life.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, he just was like, it was a little bit emotional.
He was.
It was just a cool, like a cool thing, like a cool moment. And so, anyway, we gave him some information. Hopefully he'll connect. And yeah, I told him to reach out to me. So I don't know. We've had a really good day though, riding bikes with these crazies right here.
Yeah.
He's crazy.
Yep.
We're full of ice cream and barbecue at this point.
Yep. It was a good Saturday. So we rode, we hiked, we found waterfalls. I
Saved
lost
some
shoes.
lives. Lost shoes?
But we didn't lose heart.
Yeah. All right. So what do you say we do? What should we do next?
What's right?
Handstands? Oh.
Oh, yes.
Cartwheel, but hey.
Cartwheels, handstands.
Cartwheels, handstands, one
Yeah.
and the same.
A cartwheel is a handstand with momentum.
That's right. That's right. Going all the way around.
Now let's ride.
Let's ride.
Cool.